Hello dears, we are studying JEE MCQ and our today's question is a rod of dimension 20 mm by 20 mm is carrying an axial tensile load of 10 kN. The tensile stress developed is options given 0.025 megapascal, B 0.25 megapascal, C 25 megapascal and D 250 megapascal. We have to find the correct option for this question. According to this question, a rod having cross-section area 20 mm by 20 mm and 10 kilonewton is applied on the rod. So we have to find the stress generated on the rod. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2018, which is from strength of material. Now, according to question, this is the rod and this cross-section area is 20 mm by 20 mm. Now 10 kilonewton load is applied on the rod. In the rod 10 kilonewton load is applied, which is tensile load. Now we have to find the tensile stress which is produced in the rod. So tensile stress, that is sigma T, is equals to what? We have to find the value of sigma T. So first we note the given data from the question. Given data, that is dimension of rod is given 20 mm by 20 mm. Now we will convert in SI unit, then it will be in meter. So 20 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, that is the cross section area of the rod. Then it will be area of cross section of the rod. So area of cross section A is equals to 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. So it will be 400 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Then next data is given tensile load. So tensile load P is equals to given 10 kilonewton is equals to 10,000 Newton in SI unit. We have to find the tensile stress which is generated in the rod. So tensile stress sigma T is equals to what? Now from the relation of tensile stress, so tensile stress is equals to tensile load by area. It is the relation between tensile stress, load and area. So tensile stress is equals to tensile load by cross section area of the rod. That is sigma T is equals to by A. Now we will put the value of P and A. Then we can find the value of sigma T. So sigma T is equals to 10,000 by 4 into 10 to the power 400 into 10 to the power minus 6. This value are in Newton per meter square, that is SI unit. Now we solve the calculation, then it will be 400 cancel to 10,000, so it will be 25 by 10 to the power minus 6 is equals to 25 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. And this is the value of sigma T, that is tensile stress generated on the rod. And this value is SI unit, is in SI unit. Now we have to find the value in megapascal. The pascal is the SI unit, we have to find the value in megapascal. So mega means 10 to the power 6. Now we will divide the value of sigma T by 10 to the power 6. So it will be sigma T is equals to, after dividing the value, it will be 25 megapascal, which is option C. So its correct option will be sigma T is equals to 25 megapascal and option A, B, D will be wrong. So its correct option will be option C, 25 megapascal. A rod of dimension 20 mm by 20 mm is carrying an axial tensile load of 10 kilonewton. The stress developed is, so its answer will be option C, 25 megapascal. And today's question is over. Thanks for watching.